Good medical morning. This is Watson, your Prince of Popping, for the Blackhead King and World's Greatest Medical. Today, I'm going to tell you about one of my favorite blackhead pages. It's called pimplepopper.org on Facebook. I'll put a link below. Before we get started, take a look at this amazing photoshopped image of a dilated pore on the forehead. Nice. So the Facebook page is dedicated to pimple popping, acne, dermatology, and bizarre medical case studies. Like this apparent case of lichen planus, a chronic inflammatory and immune-mediated disease that affects the skin, nails, hair, and mucous membranes. Let's take a look at some of my favorite pops from the page while we give you time to comment, like, and subscribe. Go ahead and comment below, what is your favorite source for pimple popping? Facebook, YouTube, or other? pimplepopper.org. Check it out. Don't forget to check out our favorite blemish removal toolkit. This beautiful 7-piece set is available on Amazon and will fulfill all your popping needs. It has a lancet for big jobs, a spade for those hard-to-reach corners, the cone extractor for big jobs, and loops of various sizes. This kit has everything you need to start popping like a pro. Each one has been hand inspected for quality, and the case keeps them stylish and discreet. Don't be fooled by flimsy, low-end knockoffs. Pick up yours today by using the Amazon link below. Thanks for watching.